This dusty typewriter from a thrift store just typed out tomorrow's headline before it even happened, predicting major world events with eerie accuracy. Found by chance, this relic doesn't just clack away at the keys. It seems to unlock secrets of the future, spelling out news that hasn't yet reached our ears. Imagine typing a random sentence only to see it unfold on the evening news days later. From elections to natural disasters, each prediction is more chillingly precise than the last, leaving its owner in awe and disbelief. Is it a glitch in time, a message from another realm, or simply an elaborate hoax? The mystery deepens as more predictions come true, drawing a crowd of skeptics and believers alike, each eager to witness the next prophecy. This isn't just about typing, it's about rewriting the boundaries of time and truth, turning the mundane into the miraculous with each keystroke. The typewriter doesn't just tell the future, it challenges everything we know about it.